good wood. And they have a beautiful sound to them as well. Yeah, and to buy this guitar, I think is 15 million or 18 million, or so. This guitar maker here on Guitar Street in Ho Chi Minh, this is Dai Viet. Okay, all custom guitars. This one takes about 3 months to make. About 3 months to make this guitar, and you can see the inlays in here all around. Something you typically look at this double inlay up in here. This has been rounded off in order to make it easier for the armrest up in here. Plus you have a split wood up in here with the inlays. Okay, and this is a combination of maple and, did you say ash? Maple and rosewood. Oh, mahogany. Mahogany neck, that's very strong. Okay, very good wood. And they have a beautiful sound to them as well. Yeah, and to buy this guitar, I think is 15 million or 18 million, or woo! I just went up twice the price to 30 million, which means this is well over a $1,000 guitar. Very expensive, but the workmanship in the States to get the same type of guitar is going to run you at least $2,500 to $3,000, and that's usually by a company like Martin or Takamine. But this one here, I mean, freshly made for over $1,000 is really not that bad of a buy. And this is the bigger body version. They have the oversized body, I should say. They have the regular sized body for about 15 million, but very nice sound. Yeah, right here in Ho Chi Minh on Guitar Street. Very cool stuff. I'm going to be back later to talk more about this after the New Year's, after their 1 week break. Cool. Right on. Very nice. Very nice. Come on.